Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use Photobooth on Instagram story. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Tap profile icon on bottom right. Then tap plus icon on top left. From create new, tap story. Tap down arrow button from left panel. Here you will see Photobooth. So tap Photobooth. Now it's the time to capture photos. Tap record button and it will start recording photos. Move your camera one place to another to capture multiple photos. That's it. Photos captured. Now it will play automatically. Tap Photobooth icon from top menu. Now you can add effects. Check one by one and choose your best effects for your photos. This is the first one, then second one. Check one by one and it will show you different preview. By sliding on the screen, you can change color. You can add more stickers and music if needed, then post your Photobooth. Photobooth posted on story. So these are the steps to use Photobooth on Instagram story. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.